Your what? Ikaw muna. Para ma-share ko siya.
Okay,
Ikaw muna magsasagot.
let's find it first. Okay. Natin. And it should show that we are live. So,
Ba't wala? Dito, di ba?
ayun o. You will see me live.
Ay, sa profile mo.
Wala naman.
Hindi update. Bakit tayo?
Sa ano yan, sa personal yan eh. Punta ka sa page ko. Sa page
Sa page mo pala.
So,
Ayun, okay. Share ko, no?
Pero doon mo siya kasi mag-feedback siya.
We are live.
Ayan, 1 minute has passed. Mag-post pa.
Ay, napinost ko. Sige na.
Okay, hi everybody. Welcome to my first live. It's a live interview with my business partner here in UAE, Fenker and Shal. And good morning, good evening, good afternoon to everybody, wherever you're tuning from. And I would like to introduce to you my business partner, Fen. We're going to do it differently today because we are living at the same city. So, Fen, come on over.
Hello, everyone. And from other side of the world, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I'm Pen.
Ayun, oo.
I'm Pen. Originally from the Philippines, and I'm living here in UAE and working as an admin assistant here in Fujairah. Then I'm a digital business owner. Hi, Jen.
Oo, hi. So narinig ko yung ano
Wait lang.
natin. Yes. Reduce the volume. Because we are live, we are doing some
Ayan.
ano tawag dyan, some trial. And let's see, I think we are having, yes, okay. So, okay, what this live is all about. Actually, this is to discuss our digital journey. We are charting our digital journey here. And you guys are, thank you for watching and for tuning in. And, okay. So, Fen, are you ready?
Yeah, a bit.
Hinga!
Don't mind.
Okay.
Bear with me, guys, sometimes.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Hi, Sis Helen.
Hi,
Good
Sis
evening
Helen.
po. Good evening. Okay. Yes. So, Fen, I'll have different sets of questions for you. And just feel free to answer it the way you want it, like that. So, yes. And help me out. Please click the banner. The other one. Yes. Okay. So, question number 1. There you go. Yes. Okay. Question number 1. Were you looking for a side hustle?
Okay. Actually, I'm looking for a side hustle, a part-time, because my salary is not enough. So,
like we all do before.
Yeah.
So, yes,
so that's why
we can always relate.
that time I just looking for an extra income, something like that. So I just because I love designing. I love editing, something like that. So I enrolled at school in Dubai, which is they have 3 months course as a graphic design. So I just enrolled and finish it at 3 months.
Great.
Then
Congratulations.
then after that I just looking for a part time now for the another source of income. Then when I'm looking for social media also, I just looking for the ads for the digital business also. So I'm just curious what they doing it that one. So I just email and registered my email address to that ads, and then watch the free webinar. Then I got interested.
Mhm.
So they invited me to their FB page, private group page, something like that. So I just saw and then inspired to the people's success in there. So I decided to join.
Okay.
And then now I'm a digital business owner.
Congratulations. Okay.
Yes.
But first, what was your impression when you first joined the community? Was it like, is it too good to be true? Like, parang hindi naman totoo? Or something. What is your impression, first impression?
My first impression, because naloko na ako before, na scam.
Yeah.
So when I watched the ads for that kind of business, I said, baka same thing lang din dito before. So I just curious again. So I just, okay, let me see, baka iba naman.
Okay, give it a try.
Yeah,
okay,
I
that's
really
good.
Another chance.
Okay, another chance.
Another chance.
Yes.
Para
yes.
baka kung digit nga. So I saw the ads, and then I asked my friend, because one of the entrepreneur there is friend of my sister. So I asked
The
her
background.
if this is
You asked the background. And
yeah,
if it's
the
legitimate
background,
and all.
something like that. So I do research, and then what is it? What's it all about? Something like that. And then came to think that, okay, I can do it.
This is
Then when I go to their FB page, saw the successful people there, and first it's kind of doubt, because maybe I did.
How can they do it? No.
Yeah,
Like,
how can I
wow.
do this? Because there's like 7 years they do
Yes.
that, and then some of their paying something like
Huge amount of
big amount. Yeah. So I said, first, I'm really doubt. I can do this. I can do this.
You were skeptic because
Yes.
it's okay because that's normal.
Yeah.
Yeah. Once you see something that is not like normal or a little bit extra, different, you really think that's no, this is something
And then
off.
you know what? I asked God also for a sign.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Do you remember?
Yes, I remember.
I got asked. I asked God. I prayed for him, and then I said, please guide me, whatever, kung ano yung magiging ano sa puso ko.
Yes.
To take this opportunity, or I will take the risk, something like that.
Yes. Again,
So,
no, you will take the risk.
Yeah,
again,
to take
just like what you
the
did
risk.
before.
So I said, why? Why not? Try. Kung magkamali man,
it's fine. Yes.
Fine.
Walang mawawala.
That's it. Wala
Yes.
namang mawawala din.
So
now,
do you have any regrets?
nothing. Because
Nothing
that's
at
it.
all.
Sorry.
Bigla siya nawawala.
Sorry. Bigla ako nahuhulog. Sorry po.
Okay.
I'm just nervous talaga.
She's nervous and
yeah, and then this
it's
is my
okay,
first time to talk to my
live. Yes.
co-business partner.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay. Question number 1 pa lang tayo. Tapos
Yes,
tayo.
so many.
Okay. Let's go to question number 2. Okay.
Question number 2.
Okay. Question number 2. Okay. Can you share what inspired you to start your digital business? I know because you've already mentioned that since you have enrolled to a 3-course digital design in Dubai. So I believe that is one of your inspiration and yes, that way you have to. You went there, you tried that, you finished the course. So that means that is something that you really want to do in your life later on because that is your passion.
Yes.
Is there anything else that you think that
aside from my what we call this, my designing, my passion in designing. First, my family is my priority. I want to go home. I want to retire early, and then my financial freedom. Free debts for my finances, something like that. And then I'm not too young.
Yes, of course.
I'm not too young already. So I have to think what
for the long term.
To the long term. Kasi yun. Kasi nag-iisa lang mother ko. My father passed away last year.
Sorry.
And then yes.
It's okay.
So
things,
and then
like that.
syempre nanay ko nag-iisa na lang. So, gusto ko magkaroon ng stable job
Yes.
na yung pang
To
ako yung
support
magiging
her.
boss. So, someday,
It will happen.
someday,
And we're gonna make it happen.
I will make it happen.
Yes,
Yeah.
happen.
Yes,
Okay.
I will make it happen.
happen. Yes, okay, that's good. That's good.
I can be the business or successful business
owner.
partner that,
Mm.
you know, sitting pretty na lang.
Yes,
Magiging boss.
You are your own
Yun,
boss.
my own
you,
boss.
you have control over your time,
Yes.
your
Yes.
anything.
Anything
You can
to
decide
travel.
when or how to work. You can do
Yes.
it whenever you are free,
Mhm.
because you know that you have this business that is working for us 24/7.
Mhm.
Even if
Yeah.
we're sleeping, we're getting all these leads.
Yeah.
Magugulat ka na pagising mo. Ang dami mo nang re-replyan.
Actually,
But
my
thank
first,
you. Oo.
can I say this? My
Yes,
first,
your first
ads,
ads. Oo. Oo.
I didn't expect. When I just woke up, oh, I have 3 leads. Oh my God.
See, because that is the facts. Tons of people, tons, as in maybe millions probably. Let's say millions. Let's be exaggerate, di ba?
Yeah.
They are looking for side hustle, like us.
Yeah, like us.
Many people are looking for side hustle. So whenever they see something that is really worth checking out, they will. For as long as it's free, of course.
Yes.
When you sign up naman, it's free. So basically, you don't have to pay anything. When you sign up, you will get all the information, the materials. You will receive mails every day. You can get through it. You can see the webinar free without anything. And of course, that is the time when you will feel it in yourself that, okay, this is what I need. And then I can go to the second step. Because registering is the first step.
Yes.
Now, going forward to the next level of getting into the business, that is the second step. And that is what we say, avail the 149 refundable program fee because that is 30 days refundable. You have all the time in the world to research, do your own due diligence,
plan,
check, explore the community, magtanong-tanong.
Yes.
Kasi mas maganda yung pag-aaralan mo siya, hindi lang basta mo siya papasukin. And para sure ka rin sa sarili mo that this is what you want.
Yeah.
So kaya ganun siya, ganun ang sistema ng program na ito.
Yeah, that's why ang daming sa akin before when I just joined this journey. I'm so ang daming nasa isip ko. Hindi ko na mahalo. And then now I overcome.
Okay, yes. Because that is what it is. We are transparent. We are keeping our integrity intact. We are showing our faces. Ito nga ngayon, nagla-live na tayo.
Yes.
Natututo na tayong mag-live. We don't know how to
mag-live.
We don't know how to do live before. But okay, just for clarification, this live is actually not part of the business itself. This is actually just a challenge for us because we joined a specific program for all digital business owners who ever wanted to level up fast.
Yes.
So this is one of the best ways to do it. Na you'll take part of some challenges like this one. Doing Go Live is a real challenge, basically for everybody. Pero okay naman pala.
Yes.
No? Okay lang naman. Kaya naman pala. Practice mga tayo ng ilang araw ng habang
kaya, if you can see, I'm always live. Only in 3 minutes, 2 minutes, something like that. So I just want to,
get warmed up.
To get, if it's work it. And then it's work it.
And it's working.
I think yesterday I just
live
for lunchtime.
Naubos ko yung
spaghetti.
Yung spaghetti ko and the chicken. Nang ganun-ganun lang. So basically, it will boil down to knowing that you love what you are doing.
Yes.
Kasi kapag hindi, if it's not, then whatever needs to be done here, hindi mo gugustuhin, then it's not gonna work for you. So, hindi lahat ito ay para sa lahat pala. Hindi itong business to ay para sa lahat. So, yun ang reality doon.
Mhm.
So, kaya nga, if pag-aaralan mo talaga,
Yes.
once you join, pag-aaralan mo. So,
Yeah.
going to question number 3.
Oh my
Haba
God.
nun, no?
How many
Okay.
questions is this?
200.
Oh my God.
Okay. Let's see now. We have some comments. Let's see.
Oh, okay. Let's
Oo.
take a break first.
Oo.
Okay.
Oh, hi, Bess.
Hi, Bessie.
How are you, Bessie? Hi. Thank you for tuning in. Wow, she's from
Yeah.
Greece, and yes, one of
Hi,
our business
Bessie. Thanks for
partners.
supporting us.
Yes, I know. Correct. So yeah. Okay. Thank you, Bess.
Thank you.
Okay. So, what is our question?
Okay, our question number
Third
3.
question.
What were some of the biggest challenges you faced when starting out?
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Maganda to.
If you can see, I'm a shy person. Alam niyo yan, mga followers ko. Yes, okay. I'm a camera shy person, introvert. Ayun, the biggest challenge in my life, I overcome of that. You know, alam mo yung I'm starting a blogging. I'm starting talking to the potential business owners. And then because they're asking me sometimes how you do this, something like that. So I have to answer it. Of course,
yes.
Some of my potential business owner is in other countries. So I need to English, you know. Even though, you know.
Yes,
It's
I know.
not my-
I know the trouble. I know
Yes,
that. Okay. Kasi it's a challenge talaga.
Yeah, it's a challenge. So I overcome with my shyness and then my introvert. So in this business, you can do whatever you want, something like that, to pursue your dreams and goals in life.
I'll just add to that. So imagine, okay, Pen and I, we are two different, paano ba yan, in terms of being able to face people. I can say that because of my previous experience in the corporate world. I have worked for 15 years in a cigarette manufacturing company, and my position is somehow on the upper level. So, of course, I've been talking to many clients every single day of those years. So somehow I was able to learn how to deal with people. So, but that is just an advantage for me. But it's not a weakness for Fen because as an introvert, but she is willing to learn, and we have that support from our community and from our training modules.
Yeah.
She can do it, and with a little bit of practice, definitely you can overcome it. Kasi ang dami na ng mga successful business owners here in this business that are 100% introverts, but then paano sila naging successful?
Yes.
Because their first is their why. Yun lang naman yan. If your why is stronger than your fear or your doubt or your insecurities, it will work out because you want it to work out. So yun ang doon, di ba?
Actually, some of the business owners in our page, I saw that some of that there's no technical skills, something like that. When they're just joining here at our business, it's proven that there's a system that she's taking only sitting right there, traveling out there, something like that. She can do whatever he wants, and then that's it.
But of course, it will not be like in a snap, you'll get there. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme. Always remember that. This will require time, effort, dedication to get it work.
Yes,
and to
effort
be
also.
and effort, yes, and to be successful. So hindi siya basta lang na dahil may system ka naman diyan, ayun na yon, sit back and relax na ako. No, you have to build up. your
Yes.
business.
Mhm.
So, but once it's built, yun na,
Yes.
happiness overload.
Yes.
Happiness
Happiness
overload
overload.
because the system will really work for you.
Mhm.
So yun ang advantage with the system that we are plugged in. So ayun, thank you so much. Okay, going to question number 4. Naku,
Oh my God, how many this? Okay. Are there any specific skills or mindsets that you think are crucial for success in the digital space? Oh my gosh.
So yun ang question ko para sa'yo.
Oo. Oo nga,
Okay.
bakit ako
Oh, kaya nga, ikaw ang nagbabasa.
Okay.
Okay, sige.
That's my question. I will
Oo.
answer also.
So specific skills
Mhm.
or mindset na mga crucial, that you think will be crucial in this type of business? Is there anything, any specific skills?
Ayun na, dami, no? Okay. Like the new technologies here. Because, some of our potential business owners doesn't have any skills.
Mm.
But to think that this generation, they have, they call technical savvy now.
Yes.
So,
They're well advanced.
yeah,
actually.
they're advanced now. They have an AI. There is some software
Mhm.
that's easily can edit
Mm-mm.
what they want to make it
Mm-mm.
for their business.
Mm-mm.
So, yun siguro yung
The skills.
skills
Oo,
na
okay.
and then more on searching, research,
Mm-mm.
and then understanding what
Mm-mm.
ano yung pinasok mo,
Mm-mm.
yung ganun.
Mm-mm.
Then, yun, to be dedicated also
Mm-mm.
para makuha mo yung gusto mo.
Gusto mo.
To pursue your dreams and goals someday.
Okay. Yes, of course.
Yeah.
So, yes, just to add up to that, as Penel says, syempre, being a tech savvy
Mhm.
is not a requirement, but it will be a good help, an advantage if you have that extra skills. Pero in our business, you can learn it because we have the guide, the full guide.
Yes.
It's video based. Okay. Then of course yung positive attributes ng tao, of course, it will also help the person to make his or her business succeed. Now, for the mindset, this one is very important because having the right mindset when you enter or anything, when you venture into something, that is for me that is the most crucial part.
Crucial, yes.
Yes,
For the business.
because if you don't have the right mindset
Mhm.
and it doesn't align what you want to do in your life, so hindi siya, it won't work.
It will not fit to
Yes.
you.
If your mindset is all on the negative side
Mhm.
and you want to achieve something big and that would require efforts and time and dedication, etc., etc.,
Yes.
and you are not in your right mindset to do it, then definitely it won't happen.
Yes.
So, kaya dito, in the business, what we learn first
Mhm.
is the mindset.
The mindset. And then
Yes.
more
Yun.
positive.
Yes.
Yes.
And then, yun na yun, mindset muna, and then later on, we are trained to do the rest
Mhm.
of
There's a
the
process.
business
step by step.
tools and processes.
Mhm.
But the mindset is the first step, actually.
Step.
When in everything, in general naman, mindset first.
Yeah.
Ayun. So, now, going to the last.
The last.
Okay,
Wow!
the last question. Ben, okay, I'll read
Okay.
it for you. Okay.
Okay.
What advice would you give to someone looking to start their own digital business? What advice?
Okay.
Mhm.
Starting a digital business can be both rewarding and challenging. You should be a positive and then be a motivated to pursue your dreams and
Mhm.
goals in life. That's-
Tama.
And then if you don't want, if you don't have mindset also, you can get this.
You can.
Like,
You can.
okay, fine.
Mm-mm, you can.
Something like that.
Mm-mm.
So whatever it takes, you
Mhm.
should be strong to get this business because you invest,
Mm.
you what we call this, you do
You do
sa
many
lahat ng
things,
training,
Oo.
ano mo na,
You
nagpakapagod
follow,
ka,
yes. Oo.
very hard work, and then if you don't have a dedicated
Yes.
in this business,
You're not dedicated.
Yeah.
And,
so this business is not fit for you.
exactly. Okay,
Yeah,
yes.
that's
So, and yeah, if you really wanted to become a boss
Mhm.
of your own,
Yeah.
talagang you really have to step up. Uh,
Yes.
your this battle is you and you alone. Okay? Yung, ano ba yan, parang may pinasok ka,
Mhm.
you ventured into something, and ang ang kalaban mo is yourself,
Yes, sir.
ang kakampi mo is yourself,
Mhm.
okay? Kalaban is the, ano, in English,
Yes.
hirap naman.
Sige,
Okay.
English.
So, ayun na nga. So, it will all go back to you.
Mhm.
Kaya, if you are really looking for something that you wanted to work in the long term for you, for your family, then kailangan talaga you have certain focus
Yes, focus.
and ayun, determined ka,
Determined,
dedicated
dedicated.
ka, committed ka.
Committed, yes.
You have to commit yourself. You
Mhm.
have to really commit yourself because there will come a time that you will get tired or discouraged or you will feel like, ang dami ko na ginawa, but why
But
my progress is kind of slow as compared
to
to
other.
others.
Mhm.
So, iyan ang isa pa. Never, ever, ever compare your progress,
Yes.
your result,
Mhm.
to someone
To
else.
someone else.
Because each of us are different,
Different.
totally different. Baka may ginagawa siya na effective for her, or maybe it won't be effective for you. So, totally, talagang, ano yun, divided, hindi natin siya pwedeng i-compare. But, we can always learn from each other. Ayun naman yun. That is an added, ano naman, parang bonus na lang siya. So, yun ang ano, yun ang advice
Yun ang advice.
naming mga ano,
Digital business
digital business owners. Okay. And I think that's all. We hope that you guys had fun and you've learned something from us
Yeah.
and about sa business namin. So since this is very legitimate, we are showing our faces and all, and you have access to all our pages, personal accounts, and all. So yeah, and then yeah, why don't you invite people?
Okay.
Yes.
So if you think that this business is fit for you, you can visit me in my FB page, Pen's Diary, or in my website to www.penganansyal.com. And then I will guide you in this journey also. I will help
Yes.
you in this journey.
Of course, o diba?
And then Jet, how
Yes.
about you?
Yes, first, thanks everyone. Every day kasi I've got tons of business inquiries. And yes, I am trying my very, 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 very best to respond to you as quick as possible. Medyo marami lang din tayong mga ginagawa.
Yes.
Nagdi-duty pa ako sa resto, ganyan. So, pag morning, medyo hirap din talaga tayo. But still, I can make it work out, diba? Kaya naman. So, yeah, you can find me on my business page, Jed Bias Lopez. My personal FB, Jed Bias Lopez pa rin. My IG, Jed Bias Lopez pa rin.
So many
page. And
so many accounts.
So many accounts. Tapos, and also you can visit my website, www.jedlopez.com. Nawala na si Bios. So, jedlopez.com. So, yun, mas madali na yun. And yes, or pwede rin, you guys, if you are here within this area, if you are kind of curious at what we do,
you can find us.
You can find us. Paris Avenue is just right around the corner. You can come and we can have a good, nice chat over there. Kasi we can, our aim is not just for ourselves to be successful. Syempre talaga namang ano, but this is a business that also focuses on helping others. Yes. So, ayun, kaya what we learn in the business, we can always share it to everybody.
Okay, we have some comments before we leave.
Say goodbye.
We want to check also. Oh,
hi.
It's Angel.
Hi, Angelita. Hi, Ma'am. Hi, Macham.
Hi,
Watching from, one is watching from Ireland.
Ireland.
I guess, yes. And one is watching from the Philippines. Hi,
Philippines.
Macha.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you for
guys.
watching.
Oh, yeah. Thank you so much for staying with us.
Mhm.
Ayan, medyo napakaba tayo. 30 minutes. Akalain natin.
Yeah.
So, natin
20
10 minutes
minutes.
lang. Ano nangyari?
Okay po.
Okay. So, anyway, thank you so much,
Thank
guys.
you.
And yeah, we'll see you again for our next live. And
Yeah.
so-
Actually, tomorrow I have 2 lives. One is from Greece, right?
one is from Greece.
One is from Greece and one is from Germany. So
Germany.
good luck to me.
Ubusan. Ang nagno-nosebleed si Fen.
I'm no split.
Kaya nag-practice na kami
Yeah,
today.
that's why I take practice
Today.
how many days.
But it's okay. Actually, yung business nito is not like 100% kailangan serious ka.
Mhm.
No.
Yes.
This business, see, we are having fun.
Yeah.
Because if we don't have fun, mahirap yun. So, see you!
See you, Miss Bessie, tomorrow. Yeah.
Thank
Not
you.
stopping.
Yes, and the
No
group also,
stopping.
the group interview.
Yeah,
also.
we have a group also.
Yeah, the following.
Watch out also for
Okay.
that.
So thank you so much, everybody. Have a great evening and much love and God bless. Mula po sa amin,
Bye.
Jed and
Thank
Ben.
you. Maraming
Mwah.
salamat.
Bye-bye.
See you. Thank you. Ay, meron pa pala.